subscribers for 100 subscribers. I have. Oh my God, that was horrible. What's up? Welcome back to Lash by Kia. Do y'all see that consistency though? Like, look at that. We're gonna get into how I made this in just a second. Stay tuned.
Why don't we play something these hoes are like? Drive whips, I know they like. Twista, you told her right. Make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, right? We sorta like Kobe, right?
So, I know that you all loved my episode 1. I think it was episode 1 of Entrepreneur Life. So, I decided to do like another one. The attitude of gratitude and, you know, all this mumbo jumbo, law of attraction. It's not mumbo jumbo, but you know, when you know, we into that. I have my affirmations book. I have my scripting. I bedazzled it. Can you see the jewels? Yeah. I have this one. You can see this one better. I have Blase.
Another one. I have several. So I script, pray, manifest, and I try to stay positive, but like when somebody come for me, you know, and the way I don't like, you know, I gotta rat tat. But I'm working on that.
Y'all can come shop with me. Boom. So I just left Michael's and I came next door to Target. Look what do we have here. Pipettes inside of a kit that I do not need. There is a devil on my shoulder telling me to do something, but I'm not gonna do it. And I think you know what I'm talking about. This is what I had to buy to get the pipettes. Yeah, in store. I searched everywhere. I had to buy this kit. I have some syringes, of course the lip gloss base. I have my lip gloss tubes, and I have little sample jars thingies. You can use for whatever. Flavoring. I got this one from Walmart, and it's like strawberry, grape, and watermelon. And I got these from Amazon, and it's like pipettes. I got peppermint oil for my clear gloss, vitamin E oil, that coconut oil.
I like cake.
Yeah, so there's the coconut oil, and I will have the link to everything that I'm using in my description box, because you can get all these from Amazon. Okay.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair. You have my heart, you have my soul. You have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Be waiting for you, my love. My
Hey, these are my swatches. Starting from the left, we have Tropical, and then the pink is 90s Baddies, the blue is Mermaid, and the grayish one is Ice Doll. Do not forget to sanitize. Sanitation is very, very, very important and crucial. Okay? So I'm just cleaning my lip gloss tube with some Dawn dish detergent, you know, and also to help with the stickiness, because the base is very sticky once you mix it. These are some stickers that I made and printed out myself. If you need some, just hit me up and I got you. You know, just put these on my lip gloss tubes. That's it. This is how they look on display. But yeah, so this is the official Lash Back Here Shimmer Gloss Holographic Collection. And if you recall from episode 1, this is the stand we got from Dollar Tree. For both of these. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me if you like this video. Of course, there's more to come. This was only episode 3. We have a lot more in store. See you guys later.